For investors who are nearing their retirement, it has been a common goal for them to lead a comfortable lifestyle with financial independence. So, for those investors, they might need to pick an investment vehicle or investment product catering to those goals. Will Max Life Guaranteed Lifetime Income Plan be a good investment choice for those investors? Will this generate the sufficient corpus required for them to lead a comfortable lifestyle with financial independence? The answer to all this will be given in this video. Hi and welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take the right investment and financial decision. Now before we go further, let's first see what this Max Life Guaranteed Lifetime Income Plan is. It is non-linked, non-participating individual general annuity saving plan. In this video, we'll be covering its features, benefits and also IRR analysis. By that, you'll get to know the potential return of the policy. An alternative investment IRR analysis will help you get a better perspective of this new policy. Let's first see what features does this Max Life Guaranteed Lifetime Income Plan offers its investors with. It gives investors the flexibility in choosing the premium paying term and deferment period. There is joint life option available under which income for you and your loved one will be paid. An option to choose between immediate annuity and deferred annuity. You may choose to receive your income payout on yearly, half-yearly, quarterly or monthly basis as per your needs and requirements. You have 8 annuity options to choose from. Before we go into benefits, we are now going to see a small brief about these 8 annuity options available for an investor. If you see, the first variant is single life immediate annuity for life without death benefit. If you see here, the income starts immediately and paid throughout life as per your chosen mode. On the death of the annuitant, the income ceases. If you see the second variant, it is single life immediate annuity for life with death benefit. Even here, the income starts immediately and paid throughout life as per the chosen mode. But on the death of the annuitant, the income ceases and 100% of the single premium is paid to the nominee. The third one is joint life immediate annuity for life without death benefit. Here, the income starts immediately and paid as long as at least one annuitant is alive. At the death of the annuitant, that is according to the death of the last survivor, the income ceases. And the fourth variant, that is joint life immediate annuity for life with death benefit. Here too, the income starts immediately and paid as long as one annuitant is alive. Here, at the death of the annuitant, at the death of the last survivor, the income ceases, but the nominee will receive 100% of the single premium. So far, the variants we have discussed has only one pay option, that is single pay. But from the upcoming variant, there are two pay options, that is single pay as well as limited pay. If you see under variant 5, that is single life deferred annuity for life with death benefit single pay, here the investor's income starts from deferment period and paid throughout life as per chosen mode. At the death of the annuitant, income ceases and death benefit is paid to the nominee. Under 6th variant, that is single life deferred annuity for life with death benefit limited pay, the income starts after the deferment period and paid throughout life as per chosen mode. At the death of the annuitant, income ceases and the death benefit is paid to the nominee. If you see under 7th variant, that is joint life deferred annuity for life with death benefit single pay, income starts after deferment period and paid as long as at least one annuitant is alive. At the death of the annuitant, that is at the death of the last survivor, income ceases and the death benefit is paid to the nominee. Under the last variant, that is joint life deferment annuity for life with death benefits limited pay, income starts after the deferment period and paid as long as at least one annuitant is alive. At the death of the annuitant, at the death of the last survivor, income ceases and the death benefit is paid to the nominee. Now it's time for you to see the benefits that you are going to get under this Max Life Guaranteed Lifetime Income Plan. There are 3 benefits, namely survival benefit, guaranteed additions and death benefit. If you see under survival benefit, a fixed annuity amount guaranteed at policy inception is payable at the end of the model period chosen by the policyholder. In case of joint life annuity, on the death of the primary annuitant, secondary annuitant if alive will receive the same fixed amount throughout life. The second one is guaranteed additions. If the investor or policyholder opts for immediate annuity for life without death benefit and immediate annuity for life with death benefit, guaranteed additions is not applicable. For an investor or policyholder who opted for deferred annuity single pay and limited pay, guaranteed additions are applicable. The rate of guaranteed additions during the deferment period shall be under guaranteed additions per month equal to yearly annuity amount divided by 12. Guaranteed additions for top-up premium per month will be equal to yearly annuity amount from the top-up premium divided by 12. The last one is death benefit. If you see, for the death benefit, there are certain variants only applies for death benefit, that is with death benefit variance, and it is payable on the death of the annuitant in case of single life annuity plan. In case of joint life annuity plan, on the death of the last survivor, death benefit will be paid to the nominee. The entire death benefit shall be payable to the nominee in a lump sum, and once the benefit is paid, the policy will terminate. Now, after seeing the features and benefits, we have now come to the advantages of this Max Life Guaranteed Lifetime Income Plan. Here, the policyholder will receive fixed and regular income throughout their life. The policyholder have the option to pay the top-up premium to enhance the annuity amount. Based on policyholder requirements, he can choose from 8 variant of annuity options. And there is also loan facility available for policyholder who has opted for deferred annuity variant during the deferment period once the policy has attained the surrender value. With the return on purchase price helps in creating a legacy for the policyholder and his family. Up till now, we have only seen the positive side of this Max Life Guaranteed Lifetime Income Plan, be it features, benefits and advantages. But this plan too has its own potential drawbacks which you might need to consider before picking it as your investment vehicle. The annuity amount is fixed throughout life without adjusting to inflation. Suppose you buy an object which costs Rs 500 this year, it might cost Rs 600 in the next 5 years. This is what we call inflation. Your investment vehicle needs to generate inflation adjusted return. But this new policy fails to generate inflation adjusted return, so for achieving financial goals for a policyholder becomes very difficult. The annuity is taxable as income from other sources, which might reduce the overall return that a policyholder can get from this policy. And here the policyholder's capital gets locked and he may miss the opportunity to invest in alternative investment where he can get higher returns. So overall, this plan is making least attractive. At one side, the funds is getting locked, on the other side, the returns are also not inflation beating ones. So as an investor, it's always better for you to look in all investment vehicles that are available in the market and then pick an investment vehicle catering to your financial needs. All the information that we have discussed is just a basic picture of this new Max Life policy. But to take any critical investment decision, you need to know is the potential return of this new policy. In order to know the potential return of this new policy, we are now going to see the IRR analysis of Max Life Guaranteed Lifetime Income Plan. In order to do the IRR analysis, since this plan has 8 annuity options, we are considering 4 scenarios by which investor can get to do a better IRR analysis. If you see under scenario 1, here the investor opts for single life immediate annuity for life without death benefit. The premium frequency is single premium. Premium amount is 10 lakh. Immediate or deferred annuity, it's immediate. There is no death benefit available under this plan. An annuity amount annual is 84,740. Scenario 2. Here the investor opts for single life immediate annuity for life with death benefit. Premium frequency is single premium. Premium amount is 10 lakh. Immediate or deferred annuity, it's immediate, and death benefit is available under this plan. Annuity amount annual is 68,410 rupees. Scenario 3. Here the investor opts for single life deferred annuity for life with death benefit, and here the premium frequency is single premium and premium amount is rupees 10 lakh. Immediate or deferred annuity, its deferment 10 years and death benefit is available under this plan. Annuity amount annual is 1,27,690. Scenario 4. Here the investor opts for single life deferred annuity for life with death benefit limited pay. Here if you see the premium frequency is limited pay 5 years. Premium amount is 2 lakhs per annum. Immediate or deferred annuity is deferment 5 years. Death benefit is also available under this scenario. And annuity amount annual is 80,056. Benefit illustration that we are currently seeing is taken from Max Life website, and its IRR seems to range somewhere between 4.63% to 6.86%. Even though in the first two scenarios 6.86 and 6.84 may look positive because they are slightly higher than the economic inflation rate, But point to be remembered, these are not guaranteed, these are just assumptions. And even bank FD seems to be a better investment vehicle as it can produce higher return, at the same time only lesser level of risk involved when it compared to new max life policy. And also bank FD return will not suffice your financial requirements. You need much higher return in case you need a inflation beating returns. So whenever your primary or first choice vehicle doesn't produce those returns, it's always better for you as investors to look into alternatives, because it's our prime part to achieve our financial goals. Sometimes it happens your first choice investment vehicle may not produce exclusive returns that you are looking out for. So always have an alternative investment that you can rely on for better returns. If you see the alternatives of max life policy, you will get to know the better perspective of this policy and also know whether alternative investment can help you achieve your financial goals or not. Now these are the few alternatives or other investment plan for this max life guaranteed lifetime income plan. They are bank FD, senior citizen savings schemes, RBI floating rate bond, post office maturity income scheme. Now the interest rate generated by bank FD itself is 6.5 to 7.5%, and the investors who opted for SESS can generate an IRR of 8.20%, and for investors opted for RBI floating rate bond can generate an IRR of 8.05%, and investors who invested in post office monthly income scheme can generate an IRR of 7.40%. If you see in all investment vehicles, the risk is on the lower side, whereas the returns are higher than this new max life policy. So always when you choose your investment vehicle, it's better you see it from all angles so that you can pick the right investment vehicle which can help you achieve your financial goals. And even if you see having a diversified portfolio will help you tackle inflation and also get you sustainable returns which will help you achieve your financial goals as well as future milestones. So far, I hope we have covered all the information that you need to know about this new max life policy. But still, final verdict is important. Final verdict will not only help you pick the right investment vehicle, but it will also give you better insights on how to pick the right investment vehicle and right investment decision catering to your financial goals. If you see under this new policy, it's a hassle-free investment vehicle and there is some flexibility as well as choices for investors to choose from. But the major drawback of this annuity plan is the capital is getting locked for too long, and this is a low yielding investment vehicle which makes it hard for investors to achieve their financial goals. At one side there is no returns, on the other side the funds are getting locked for too long, which will not help investors to cope up with the inflation and also rising medical expenses. So whenever you are considering an investment vehicle, especially for a post retirement period, you need to consider two factors, that is the inflation and the rising medical expenses. So choose an investment vehicle based on those requirements so that you can lead a peaceful post-retired life. If you still have doubts regarding this max life guaranteed lifetime income plan, you are free to consult your financial advisor. He will be able to guide you the right path to achieve your financial success. If you want to know further information about this max life guaranteed lifetime income plan, then you are free to read our article, the link to which is given in the description below. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.